for southwestern Bond County, Clinton County, eastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois until 3 a.m. At 10:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Edwardsville, Glen Carbon, Highland, Breeze, Carlisle, Aviston, St. Rose, Germantown, Wamak, St. Jacob, Beckenmeyer, Marine, Livingston, Pocahontas, Alhambra, Jamestown, Hamel, Huron, Bartoso, and Hoffman. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 in Illinois between exits 23 and 37. Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 21 and 36. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in Illinois: Bond, Clinton, and Madison.